so we have two browsers opened. On the left side, we have already logged into the manager's account, Ikazan. On the right side, using another browser, we will log into our test employee account or team user account. We will head over to the manager's dashboard first on the left. Head over to the most recent tasks area. Any new tasks created by the manager, or if an existing task has a new update, will be pushed to the top. You have new tasks that have been assigned to your team's user, but they have not started yet. The status in progress speaks for itself. Any task that your team is currently working on, you can also view them by using the bottom menu. The task status under completed on the bottom menu is shown as done. Now, if you go to each one of the statuses from the bottom menu, you can view the tasks separately. You should now also see on the dashboard a new filter which will allow you to have a bit more control. We will make a new video on this soon. For each task, your team user can see when the task is due and when it was created by the manager. The same applies to the status of in progress and completed or done. Let's go back to the dashboard and head over to one of the tasks as an example. Here, you will see the task title and a full description, and if the manager has added a file URL related to this task, it will be shown. On the left, you will see the task's manager, due date, priority, category, and current status. Under the task description, you can see a section where the manager or the team user to whom the task is assigned can reply back, similar to a chat feature. If you add any external file link, please remember to use the hyperlink feature within the reply area for better convenience. Let's head over to one of our test tasks and observe the interaction between the manager and their team user, James, on the right side of the screen. Suppose James has a question and needs more information about the task. He can easily proceed to request additional information as demonstrated here. On the manager's account, let's navigate to the same task where the manager can view any received replies. The manager can now respond with additional information to assist the team user in achieving the required target. If you want to create a link within your reply, let's say to a Google Sheet, then just create the text and then add the hyperlink to it. This is a recommended best practice. Let's navigate to the Teams page. We have our own staff members who have been testing our system for the past few months. Under each user, you can see the number of tasks assigned to them, the number of tasks they have started, in progress, and the number of completed tasks. If you wish to view all the tasks assigned to a specific user, simply click on their profile image. This will display only the tasks associated with that particular user. Now let's proceed to create a new task. The Add New Task area is straightforward to use. You will find fields for the task name and task description, where the manager can include all the relevant information necessary for the team user to begin working on the task. In the updated version, you will notice the addition of new fields specifically designed for adding URLs related to files associated with a created task. Regarding the priority of the task, you can select from options such as high, low, medium, or urgent. Next, you can specify the due date, which indicates the deadline by which the task should be completed by. Following that is the category. If you need additional fields for specific categories in your company, you can request us to add them. Lastly, you can choose the user from your team to whom you want to assign the task to. Once you submit a task, the assigned user will receive an email notification. That covers everything you need to understand about creating and managing tasks, both as a manager and as a team user. Remember to subscribe and download our app on Android or iOS.